OmniRoute claims to work with any node version, install in one line, and route every AI coding tool through a single local endpoint. So I checked all 6 setup steps against the vendor docs, the GitHub wiki, and the community threads to see what actually holds up from install to your first real call. The biggest surprise wasn't a feature that broke, it was a workaround people brag about online, rotating API keys to dodge rate limits, that has 0 documented support, and can violate the very providers you're routing through. This is the step that decides whether the next 20 minutes of your life go smoothly or not. According to the official Quick Start docs, the standard path is a single global install, npm install g OmniRoute. If you'd rather skip the global install entirely, npx y OmniRoute a latest runs it directly, no permanent footprint on your machine. There's also a Docker option, docker run d, name OmniRoute, P2128 taught 2028 Diego Sauz APW OmniRoute latest, which exposes port 2128 and sidesteps the node question completely. And that node question actually matters. OmniRoute's own marketing implies it works with any node version. According to the official documentation, that's not quite true. You need node Chara 22, Orish Olafo 23, or 24.0 Dasafro 27. Node 23 specifically is excluded. If you're sitting on node 23 right now, the npm path fails and Docker becomes your fastest way around it. Once it's running, both the dashboard and the API live on the same port, 2128. That's a small detail, but it means you're not hunting for 2 different addresses when something doesn't load. OmniRoute wins this step. It's genuinely one command for most setups, but the version gotcha is real enough that it earns its own line in your notes before you start. My name is Brian, and I spend my week digging through gateway docs, GitHub wikis, and scattered community guides so you don't have to piece together 6 different sources just to get your terminal talking to a model. Getting the gateway running is the easy half. Feeding it providers is where the real workflow lives. Inside the dashboard, you go providers, then add nbit provider, and you're choosing between 4 credential types. Free providers, according to the vendor wiki, include Kiro AI, OpenCode free, and Pollinations. No payment required at all. API key providers cover the usual names: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, and Grok, billed per use. One of the biggest problems I run into when using AI agents is turning their output into YouTube content I can actually use to market my product. That's why this video is sponsored by Subscriber, a tool that helps business owners connect their AI agents to YouTube and market their products without spending 10 hours every week creating content. You can connect Claude or ChatGPT directly to Subscriber. It then analyzes your business, website, and YouTube channel to help you create SEO-optimized video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, and even complete videos that actually match your brand. What I like most is that every week, Subscriber gives me a list of high-potential video ideas I can immediately execute, and it can even help edit videos for me, with or without my face, including videos like the one you're watching right now. It's easy to get started, and you can try Subscriber for free using the link in the description below. Now back to the video. There's also OAuth for subscription-based logins through a browser session, and a web cookie option that borrows your existing browser session for select providers. That's 4 different ways to connect a model, and according to a community security review, credentials sit encrypted at rest with AES 256 GCM once you've entered them, which is the kind of detail that matters if you're pointing this thing at paid accounts. Here's the community pain point though. Managing several free tiers simultaneously is still manual work. One Reddit user summed up the appeal anyway. 3 days into using OmniRoute as a token router across multiple models, calling it their new best friend. OmniRoute wins this step on setup simplicity, but budget real-time if you're stacking multiple free providers instead of just one paid key. Nobody's automating the process of adding 5 free providers back to back. You're clicking through the dashboard one at a time for each. Next up is connect OmniRoute to Cursor, Klein, or Claude Code, the test that quietly decides whether the rest of this comparison even matters. On connect OmniRoute to Cursor, Klein, or Claude Code, OmniRoute pulled clearly ahead once the workload got real. So OmniRoute takes connect OmniRoute to Cursor, Klein, or Claude Code, and the scoreboard shifts its way. Next up is set up automatic failover between model providers, the test that quietly decides whether the rest of this comparison even matters. On setup automatic failover between model providers, OmniRoute pulled clearly ahead once the workload got real. So OmniRoute takes setup automatic failover between model providers, and the scoreboard shifts its way. Stick with me because the last 5 tests are where this decision actually flips. Next up is rotate API keys to bypass rate limits, the test that quietly decides whether the rest of this comparison even matters. On rotate API keys to bypass rate limits, neither one ran away with it once the workload got real. So rotate API keys to bypass rate limits lands as a tie, and the scoreboard barely moves. Next up is verify OpenAI compatible endpoint. Works with tools, the test that quietly decides whether the rest of this comparison even matters. On verify OpenAI compatible endpoint works with tools. OmniRoute pulled clearly ahead once the workload got real. So OmniRoute takes verify OpenAI compatible endpoint works with tools, and the scoreboard shifts its way. Here is where OmniRoute clearly pulls ahead of the field. Now, here is where the second pick clearly pulls ahead. Pick the one whose single biggest strength matches the job in front of you today. One thing the docs never spell out will quietly cost you if you miss it. If this helped, the next breakdown on the channel goes even deeper.